Can sexual performance anxiety be cured? This is an important question that comes up often. So in this video, I'm going to answer exactly that. Can sexual performance anxiety be cured? And if it can, how? If you find this video helpful, in the bottom right-hand corner, you will see a button that says subscribe. Click on that button so that you can get the latest brand new videos and tools as I share them. When we're experiencing performance anxiety, we feel stuck in our head. We ask questions like, can I be fixed? Is it going to be like this for the rest of my life? I just want to feel normal again and get back to how things used to be. But what if I can never satisfy my partner? And we ask ourselves these questions, and sometimes it feels like we go round and round in a loop, and it takes up a lot of thinking space in our mind. At times we feel like it's all we can think about, and we just want to be able to get this sorted and feel normal again. But ultimately we want to know, how do we fix this? So let's answer the question, can sexual performance anxiety be cured? And quite simply, yes, you know that it can be, because you're here searching for this information. You know it can be sorted, and that this is more of a mindset thing compared to a medical thing. I also know that it can be sorted. Why? Because I sorted it for myself, and I've sorted it not only for myself, but for many guys around the world. I've actually seen them go through the steps to be able to fix performance anxiety. So the first question that really we must ask ourselves is, where am I searching? Is where am I looking? What am I looking at? Often we get caught in this highly tempting trap of continuously searching for information online, and there's an endless amount of information available to us. So we could forever search, just like we could forever read how to ride a bicycle, but it wouldn't actually teach us how to do it. Listening to people that have actually gone through this and got it fixed for themselves, then we know it's real. But most of the information out there, I call this the one magic thing trap. This is where we get stuck, where it feels like I'm getting closer to the answer. If I just need to watch a few more videos on this, or if I could just do this one thing, or if I could just get this right, or perhaps I'm going to be able to find something. And the reality is that we're satisfying this searching part of our brain to feel like we're actually doing something about this. But this can go on for days, weeks, months, with some men I've spoken to, even years of searching for solutions. And you don't deserve that. You know, you don't deserve to continuously feel like you're just an inch away from the one magic thing, when in reality, that isn't what has been getting the results. Okay, that isn't the strategy that works. And it took me a while to realize this as well. For a long time, I didn't want to speak to anybody about this, and I was caught in this one magic thing trap of thinking that if I could just read this next book, or just look at this article or video online, it was going to be the thing that really helped me to get it sorted. And I have to be honest, that day never came. That day never came. I actually had to do something different and realize that what I had been doing wasn't working. So the question now really is, so what? So what do we do about this? And I would like to quite simply share with you the story that I mentioned of the other guys that have experienced sexual performance anxiety, whether it's erection or ejaculation challenges, and they have found the tools that have actually worked for them to be able to get this sorted and get it fixed. So below in the comments, I've put the link to the stories of multiple men so that you can see if this relates to you. Look at their stories and see, are there similarities in the types of things that you're experiencing as well? And there may be, there may not be. But I think if it's performance anxiety, you'll find it relatable. And the most important fact is that this is also to know that you're not alone. These guys share where they were and the tools that help them to get this fixed for them, so that you have a clear path forward of people who have actually experienced this, rather than being stuck in an endless loop that doesn't really get us anywhere. So if that sounds good to you, then head to the comments section now below, click on the link to that page that will show you the stories of the men, and I'm with you in your corner all the way to get the right tools to actually get sexual performance anxiety fixed so that you can feel normal again.